Hi guys, in today's video I created this look, and this look was inspired by Shraddha Kapoor, but I did not have the same eyeshadow color that she's wearing in this picture, so I worked around with the eyeshadow colors that I already had in hand and recreated the look with a personal touch. To get started, I'm going to prime my face with Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And then I'm going to color correct the under eye dark circles with Krylen's color corrector in 303. For the foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 230, and I kept the face makeup same as my previous video here, so I'm going to fast forward the face makeup part here, and if you'd like to watch my previous video, then please check out the link in the description box below. For contour, I'm going to use Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Contour, and I'm going to apply it with a flat shader brush and blend it with a beauty sponge. And for the concealer, I'm using LA Gold Pro Concealer in Pure Beige. Next, I'm going to use this bronzer shade, and I'm going to put it on the perimeter of my face. And the bronzer is from Makeup Revolution Blush Contour and Highlighter Palette. And for blush, I'm using a Physicians Formula blush in Natural. And then I'm going to use a liquid highlighter from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to put it on all the high points of my face. Next, I'm going to use this highlighter from the same palette and going to put that over the liquid highlighter to get that extra glow. And then I'm going to very naturally fill in my brows using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pencil. Now for the eyes, I applied tape on the edges and primed my lids using Makeup Revolution eyeshadow primer. Next, I'm going to use this color and sweep it all over the lid. And for this look, I'm going to be using Sephora More Than Meets the Eye palette. Next, I'm going to take this brown color and put it on the crease area and the outer V part, guided by the tape. Next, I'm going to use this almost a royal blue color and put it all over the lid, and I did take my time to build the color intensity. Now I'm going to go back in and blend the crease area again to make sure it's well blended. And next, I'm taking this mauve color and will apply it in the inner crease area and blend it well with the lid color. Then I'm going to apply the same blue color on my lower lash line. And this is the final look. I hope that you liked this video. I will see you in my next one. Take care till then. Bye bye.